Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So, I have been craving chicken cordon bleu, but I have to admit, I don't feel like doing all the work involved in actually making chicken cordon bleu.
Enter Chicken Cordon Bleu Stromboli, juicy chicken, smoky ham, and gooey cheese wrapped in a golden crispy dough.
So, sure, I know that this might be a lazy way of making chicken cordon bleu, but it is right up my alley. So hang with me and let's get to cooking.
All right, so I'm cheating a little bit and using a refrigerated pizza dough crust, and I'm just going to roll it out. And then I'm going to make a honey mustard sauce to spread over the dough, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then like a tablespoon, I'm using a whole grain mustard, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Just mix that together. And then I'm just going to spread this right over my dough. And then make a layer of some Swiss cheese, and I'm using a sliced Swiss cheese here. And then make a layer of ham, and I'm using a deli sliced ham. And then I have here an Oscar Mayer carving board chicken, and I'm just going to place that right over top of the ham. And then just begin to roll it up. Now when you bake it, you want to bake it seam side down, and then brush with some melted butter, and I'm grating some Parmesan cheese over top and sprinkling with a little bit of dried chives. And then bake in a 375-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes.
It is time for the taste test. Just look at this. Wow. I have to say, that tastes like chicken cordon bleu. This would be a perfect lunch, snack, appetizer even. You can slice them and have them as appetizers. So delicious and super easy. But thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. God bless, and I will see you next time.